In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the new tab option in Microsoft Edge. Customizing your new tab page can enhance your browsing experience by making it more visually appealing and functional. Whether you're looking to streamline your interface or add a personal touch to your browsing, these easy steps will guide you through the process. First, we'll need to open Microsoft Edge. Once you've done that, go ahead and press Ctrl and the T key simultaneously. This shortcut instantly opens a new tab for you. When the tab opens, you might notice the default layout. Usually this consists of Bing as the search engine, a selection of news updates, and some quick link shortcuts to websites you might find useful. At the top right corner of this new tab page, you'll see a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will give you several customization options. These are what allow you to tailor the page to your liking. When you click the gear icon, a menu will appear, offering different layout choices. If you prefer a comprehensive overview, select the full page option. This will give you a broader view of available information on your new tab. On the other hand, if you prefer a simplified interface, the partial view might be more suitable for you. This option offers a condensed amount of information. For users who like seeing only essential headlines, go for the headings, which displays just the titles of news without extra details. Next, you can choose to toggle the show content option. Turning it on or off determines whether additional content like news or article links appear on your new tab. Some people prefer a minimalistic look, in which case keeping this option off might be ideal. Moving on to backgrounds. Under the background section, you'll see an option to edit your background. Select this and you'll be able to choose from various images to set as your backdrop. If none of the offered options pique your interest, there's the option to upload a picture of your own. This is a great way to truly personalize your browsing environment. Alternatively, you can choose to have a solid color background or no image at all if you want a cleaner look. Finally, let's adjust the region and language settings. Under Change Region and Language, you'll find a drop-down menu. Clicking this allows you to select a variety of countries. Doing so can help align web content or default language settings to match your location preferences, ensuring that the content you view is relevant and accessible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a personalized new tab page in Microsoft Edge that suits your style and browsing needs. Customize it to reflect your personality or to make your web experience more efficient. Don't hesitate to explore and tweak the settings until you find what works best for you. Enjoy your newly customized browsing experience.